Here's a video of the outdoor lighting, high pressure sodium outdoor lighting that I have installed right now. I'm going to start changing some of these fixtures out for different ones. So I just wanted to document what it looks like with these installed. I have 5 woods, 70 watts high pressure sodium fixtures around the house. I have these 3 on the deck here in the back, and I think these are gonna stay. It's mostly I'm gonna add one up there, a street light up there, a street light on the other peak, and maybe a few others in the front. But this really lights up the yard quite nicely. The doors are fully visible, the stairs are fully visible. This is great lighting. The placement of these, I did it carefully and it came out really well. The yard is lit up all the way to the fence. Stairs are lit up. Whole backyard is covered with these 3. And then we have a small area of darkness here in between the fence and the house. So I'm going to do something with that light up there. I think that'll be a street light for sure. And then that would cover this whole area here. This does cover over to here pretty good. This is all sodium here, but then once you get over to here it starts to mix with the ugly LED street light and it gets kind of dim. So I'm gonna put one over here on one of these trees probably. I don't think you can see those, but that's a summer project. And in the front yard, driveway's lit up pretty good, garage is lit up good. But that one, this was, I can't remember if I installed this one or the ones on the deck first, but this one is the only one that has been running continuously since I put it up. It's been several months now, no trouble whatsoever with that light, and that lights up the stairs really nicely all the way up these stairs, and the door is all lit up good. See the railings. So this works out really nicely for here, although I feel like it would be cool to change that to a street light as well because it's over the street. But I think that might just kind of stay for a while because it works good. Really all does work good, but I have so many different fixtures I want to use. I'm going to have to start changing them out, otherwise I'll never get to using them all. And in the front yard here, it's pretty good. I'd like it to be brighter because the cold glow of the LED street light comes in over there, so I want to wash that out. The stairs are lit up pretty good. And of course, you can't beat the brightness of the front door and everything here. This is nicely lit. So, but the problem with this light is that because it shines up onto the top there, it turns itself off. So I'm thinking if the street light shines downwards more, hopefully that won't happen. I'm not certain, but I really hope that won't happen. Although now I'm not even sure the streetlight would fit because there's an angle here. This pole would go up kind of angled, so that might not work. I'll have to try it out. But yeah, so that's what the sodium streetlights look like. The Woods 70 watts fixtures. I'll get an angle from this corner here. This does light up the yard pretty good. In fact, it even gets to the street a little bit. Although by the time it gets to the street, it's mostly washed out by the ugly colored LED thing. I think I can get a shot of all 5 from the corner of the room. These don't really have anything to do with the video, but just to note they're still working. Get at least 3 of them in the shot here, which is really cool. There is something neat about them all being the same fixture, because you can walk around the house and it's consistent, and it just, I don't know, it's kind of cool. It feels very realistic. I guess I can only get 3 in the shot. Well, and kind of 4, just barely. But that's, I just wanted to show this setup as of now before it changes, just so we have a record of what the original setup was. And it really worked out really good. When I've cut the grass in the dark, cleaned up the leaves in the dark, and the whole yard is pretty much lit up very thoroughly with these lights. I really enjoy them.